Here's how to install LokLok on iPhone and iPad new method. First, go to the App Store and go to the search options and search for LokLok. As you can see, there are different options, but you have to click out the LokLok movies and dramas. Afterwards, you will be redirected on this page. Now, what you need to do is click on the LokLok Watch TV drama movie and click on the install options or the cloud button that you can see. Afterwards, it will redirect you to the download option, which means it's already downloading to your iPhone or iPad device. What you need to do is to wait, but as you can see, the version 4.0 of LokLok has already been bug fixed, so you don't have to worry about the bugs. Now click on the open options once you have already successfully downloaded it, and afterwards allow every other notification that will suggest to your LokLok account. Afterwards, what you need to do is to set up and agree to the terms and conditions of LokLok and click on Get Started. And now you can go ahead and watch and enjoy LokLok to your iPhone or iPad device without any complication.